This probably is the biggest white amount I've ever done in fucking years. Matt's always like, give me more white. So we got more white. What we got is black. I think both of them are black. Maybe shade. Nah, black. That would be like 50% shading ink on Allegory, the number 2, and then whites. And then this is where the final is. Oh shit, it almost works. That's it. So much light in there. Yeah, no, it's gonna. I don't know. Maybe, or maybe the screen on the camera looks a bit more. I don't know. But yeah, we shaded all that. In real life, it doesn't look as bad as it looks in the camera. It looks like it's evil, but it's not that evil. All this is shading ink, so it'll be same kind of shade as that, so it kind of fades away, disappears. And then I've tried to like black the blackout on him many times, but his skin just like goes back to this one tone black that I can't get black than black. I don't know. Somehow it just doesn't work out. But what works is smooth shading. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's so smooth, so clean everywhere. It's buttery smooth. No, that's it. And I spent more shading here, shaded there. That needed like a finish. Last time it was like killing, and I just said go home. It was bad, painful. And then added more shading there. And then a bit more black in there. 15 mag, 15. I think I'm 15 magnum I used there. Added a little bit black on the hat as well to carve that out. More on the bottom of the cap as well to carve that out, so it doesn't merge together. Then I added some more white in there. And when I do white, I mostly do with like 5 or 7 liner and like line them in. Not just add a little bit, but like line them in, so they actually stay in. And when they do stay, it stays like this. This is probably about 5 years old now.
Yeah.
About 5, 6. You can see the white stays in. Weirdly enough, the white stays more on him than black stays in. Somehow. Yeah, even the whites there stayed in. This, at least it looks lighter than skin color.
It is, yeah. It came out here, but
kind of expected.
Yeah.
Yeah, white stays in and good. So I always like massage there. And even when you have these like long lines, you just line them like you would line any other lines. Like treat it exactly as you would treat a black. Like get it deep in. And then also the white kind of shows more the blood, so you're gonna see more blood coming out here and there. That's also what happens. It looks really reflective. I think it's just healed, kinda. Yeah, could be that. But you can see it's super duper smooth, super duper clean, super sharp. The white stays white. So most likely the white will stay in quite good because we've done it before. Looks like even on the old one you have some white in there, and that actually has stayed in.
Yeah.
This is probably like a century old.
I think that's that. You didn't do that though. I think Vlad went over that.
It's like a different world now between that and that.
You've done from there down and from there up and across to that point there.
Almost making a full loop, huh?
That one from there to there was not you.
Oh. So yeah, guys, that's where we are. So I used 15 mags to do all the blacks. The endless black for the black. I've been using that. It's almost empty. So it's a really black, good black instead of matte. It does go in it.
Soak it up like a sponge.
Yeah. What else? And then for the whites, I always use Allegory. That is like my favorite white. Yeah, it does stay white and it becomes like a nice snow white. And yeah, just when you do whites, make sure you line them in like strong, not just kind of like poke a little bit, but actually bury the ink and like get to the real depth. Where if you would do black, you would get it solid because you need to make sure it's solid. So treat white exactly the same. Do what you're supposed to. Yeah. So that's about it.